Trying the most beautiful pastries in Miami. Look how pretty. 10 out of 10. A little pear. Tastes like ice cream. It's so delicious and fluffy. Look at this beautiful raspberry. This is so good. Looks like it has water on the rose. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty that I don't even want to eat it. Look how beautiful. Are you kidding? This is delicious. So good. Last pastry. Look how beautiful that looks. I honestly don't even know how to eat it. So I'm guessing I'm just gonna... So rich. I wonder what's inside of it. Let me see. I don't know, but it's so good. They all taste kind of like ice cream. Really good.